sidewalk here. That's my property too, so you need to watch yourself. Did you see this?
Oh, I remember you now. That's the little dude that was eating snacks in my face last year. When the what's up, guys? Handsome, ain't I? But yeah, that's the guy that was eating the snack food last year. Yeah, yeah, he was the one eating the little chips back. You can't be recording. Still at it. Going on. That was interesting.
What you doing? What you doing, man? I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. I will call the cops for trespassing. Want to answer the question? Alright, that's the one.